Hey guys, Jeff here with Atlantic Premium Shutters. Today we're down at Ridgefield Supply in Ridgefield, Connecticut. We're going to talk to you a little bit about our architectural collection. Our architectural collection is our high-end product of the mix. I showed you the classic collection earlier, so this is our architectural. Our architectural is made up of numerous materials, so it is considered a composite shutter. We have PVC for our rails, fiberglass for our stiles, and pultruded fiberglass for our louvers. This does meet historical requirements and can be installed fully functional or decorative, whatever you prefer. Again, our louvered product, we also do this in a raised panel. So this is our raised panel product, but we also do it, if you jump back over to our louver, we can do it with a faux tilt rod. So what you see here is a tilt rod that doesn't function. We are available in 31 colors, as well as custom colors. So we can paint these however you see fit. So stop on down to Ridgefield Supply and the guys will be able to help you out.